action, plan, review, evaluation, plan, review, action, plan, review, evaluation, plan, review, action, review, plan, evaluation, review, evaluation, action. Okay, find the partner. B, with our partner, bawas kayo sa dito. We will do the plan, action, review, evaluation by your partner this time around. Kung yun po plan, dili mo head may touch sa partner. Kung yun po ang action, dili ko maka-face, pag-abot ang iyong face. Sa to? Okay. Kung yun po review, of course, isa yung embrace. I-touch mo ang shoulder, ay ko, isa na yung embrace. Okay? When I say evaluation, you touch the two knees of your partner. Exercise ka naman. Okay. Come on. How many you that choice? Okay, so let's start. Okay, action. Tumawid. Plan. Review. Evaluation. Review. Plan. Action. Review. Plan. Action. Evaluation. Review. Plan. Action. Review. Plan. Action. Review. Action. Plan. Review. Action. Evaluation. Review. Plan. Action. Evaluation. Review. Plan. Action. Review. Plan. Action. Review. Okay, thank you. Okay.